To start off the morning, we're having those temperatures a little bit cooler than yesterday, not by too much though. We're starting off into the upper 20s for portions of the area such as Bluefield, West Virginia and Princeton. Seeing a mix into the 30s, even into the middle 30s as we head a little bit over to the western slopes. Wind gusts today, we're going to continue to have them pouring out of the northwest for us. If you're headed towards Wythe County and the Roanoke Valley, dealing with a little bit of some higher wind speeds. We're seeing a wind gust right now in Wytheville of 18 miles per hour, even up into Marlington, Pocahontas County. We're having a wind gust of 12 miles per hour for us. So looking at our weather headlines, we're going to continue with the chances of the rain, the snow, the mix. We have slim chances throughout the rest of this work week as we have a few unsettled weather patterns trying to make their way over our area. With temperatures, we're not going to be seeing a big cool down or a big warm up throughout the week. Our temperatures are going to be really hanging on into the 30s and the 40s, which the 40s is around average for us. We are keeping our eye out though for the weekend. We do have a little bit of snow that looks to put a little bit of some accumulations into the area. Satellite radar is really showing just overcast skies for us this morning. We do have a 20% chance for a little bit of some snow flurries, some upslope snow for us earlier this morning and even into this evening, but most of the area along the east coast actually looking pretty dry, just holding on to a little bit of some cloud cover over top of us. Temperatures today are going to be slightly cooler than yesterday. We'll be having those highs only heading into the middle 30s. Most of the area is going to remain dry today, really hanging on to the cloud cover though throughout the majority of the day. But we do notice though along the eastern slopes, seeing a little bit of that sunshine trying to come through into the area. Western slopes really holding on to those overcast skies. Overnight tonight, clouds are going to fill in once again. We do have that potential for a little bit of some light snowfall, mainly north of that I-64 corridor. Just a 20% chance for a little bit of some flurries. Now waking up tomorrow morning, temperatures are going to mimic what we're starting off with today, into the 20s, lower 30s for a few select spots. And then throughout tomorrow, we're going to actually have partly sunny skies, a little bit of cloud cover here and there, temperatures slightly warmer into the upper 30s and the lower 40s. Clouds are going to build back in, and along with the clouds overnight Wednesday and into Thursday morning, we are going to see a little bit of some rain, some mixing, and even a little bit of some light snow. Try to make its way from the south, try to head up to the north and the northeast. Here's that system right now that should be crossing through Wednesday night and into Thursday. It's mainly making a hamper right now along the southern plains throughout Texas, seeing a little bit of some heavier rainfall as we head more up to the north, seeing a little bit of a rain-snow mix. For us on the weekend, we're still talking about even some more wintry weather trying to come our way once again from another system. On Friday, looks like we'll have a little bit of rainfall over the area. Saturday, we're going to deal with a little bit of a rain-snow mix that's going to lead us even into Sunday. Snowfall models are showing pretty low totals for us. Really not looking at anything impressive so far, but it really depends on the track of the low pressure system and where that warm air and that cool air, where that divide's going to be to tell us how much snow we could see. Warm air making more of a transition to rain, cold air making more of a transition to snowfall. Models aren't agreeing so far, so hopefully as time goes on, they'll become more of a comparison with each other and be more alike. But for now, do expect a little bit of some light accumulations over the area for us Friday throughout Sunday, even into Super Bowl Sunday and Groundhog Day. Other than that, though, we're having temperatures at average with the slim chances for a rain-snow mix throughout the work week.